Hello, my name is David Tiger. Welcome to my cooking demonstration. Today we're going to be making some pasta and demonstrating the physical and chemical changes that the pasta and the other things go through. Now, for our first change, it's a physical change. So first thing you do when you make pasta is you boil the water, and you can see the water is changing state. It's becoming a gas. And yeah, here's another indicator of a physical change in shape. So this spaghetti isn't going to fit perfectly in this pot. So normally, you got to break it in half. Oh, a little bit flew out, but that's okay. We'll clean that up. And then you put it in the water. That's obviously time for one more physical change. So as you can see, the pasta is boiling in the water. I want to stir it around a little bit. And the water is becoming cloudy. That's because the starch in the pasta is dissolving in the water. Which is also, things dissolving in water also demonstrates physical change. Because if you were to take pasta out and evaporate all this water, the starch would still be there. So now we have evidence of our first chemical change. You see these bubbles here on top of the pasta. Now, an indicator of chemical change is bubbles being created. And these are not bubbles from the water evaporating. These are from the pasta itself. So there's our first chemical change. Now that our pasta is fully cooked, let's talk about the chemical changes that have occurred here. So, number one, obviously, the pasta is no longer hard and brittle, but it's soft and malleable, chewy and delicious. Also, the pasta has expanded, right? It's clear from here at least. It's kind of hard to see because of the light. But its chemical composition has changed, and because of that, it's expanded, and this change is not reversible. That's how we know that it's a chemical change. This pasta can't be turned back into hard and brittle. Another indicator of a chemical change is an odor. That it's not necessarily an odor, it doesn't smell bad. But before, pasta did not smell so strong, and now you can't tell, but I can tell that this pasta is very, it smells good, to be frank. Before we get to the food, I'm gonna get myself a glass of water with some ice. And here's the ice cold glass of water. That was a great meal, wasn't it? And oh, would you look at that? In the time I spent eating, the ice in this glass has melted and turned back into water. There's another physical change, another change of state. So, with all being said and done, I'm David Taggart. This is my cooking show, I think, and I'll see you later.